So finally, TCS has started Ignite and Smart Hiring for BCA and BSc freshers of 2025 and 2026 batch, but the eligibility is very specific. So one rule decides whether your application will get rejected or not. So in this video, I will clearly explain the eligibility criteria, selection process, salary, and how you can apply. Okay, so let's first talk about the eligibility. If it doesn't matches you, then you can try for other opportunities. So this hiring is only for the BCA, BSc, and VVoice candidate of 2025 and 2026 batch. Engineering students are not allowed, and the eligible streams are IT, computer science, mathematics, data science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, cybersecurity, and biochemistry. Okay, and you must meet the TCS academic criteria, that is minimum aggregate, means minimum percentage requirement is 50% or above. Okay, and there should be no active backlogs at the time of applying, यानी जब आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो उस टाइम पे कोई भी बैकलॉग नहीं होनी चाहिए. So if this criteria doesn't matches, then you can try for other opportunities. We have already posted about the Wipro, Accenture, so you can try for those opportunities. Okay, so now let's talk about the difference between Ignite and Smart. So most of the students get confused between these two. Basically, Smart Hiring is a regular fresher role for the BSc and BCA students. So TCS Ignite is a specialized program with a better salary and advanced training. Okay, and it is usually for the student who perform well in the test or the assessment. So between these two, which one you will get, it depends upon the assessment performance. Now let's talk about the selection process. The selection process have two main stages. First is online assessment. This is where most of the students get rejected, and this test is usually consist of numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, and coding. It is optional. If you clear the test, then comes to the interview, which is generally technical plus HR. Okay, and your performance decide whether you will be considered for the Smart or the Ignite. So you should apply through the official TCS Next Level website. Always remember, do not pay anyone. TCS recruitment is completely free. Many fake links and messages circulating during the TCS hiring. So always verify before applying. I have shared the official link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you guys can easily apply.